La 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 la.
Get that voice ready, girl.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Hi guys.
Hey,
It's the puzzle couple.
and we are back again with the new puzzle.
Yes, we are.
This one is going to be a Michael Storring Good Puzzle Company, and it is what is it?
Galison.
It's Galison?
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
By Galison.
This one is summer fun, so hopefully it is summer fun.
It's very vibrant.
Yes,
and
it is.
Somebody marked fun on it, so.
Yeah, so it should be good. The good thing about these is that they are recyclable, so it's always good to know, and also that 1% of the proceeds go directly towards environmental nonprofits, so that's always nice to know as well. You know, always good to have a company give back.
Yeah, so we are excited. This is our second Galison puzzle that we had. The first one was really challenging. It was 1,000 pieces. I said I never want to do trees again. I think Galison or Michael
Storrings.
Storrings broke me
trees.
on trees.
Yeah.
But I'm willing to try this because this looks very vibrant and fun. That other one looked really vibrant and fun too.
It did.
I'm a sucker.
It had a lot of white in it.
Yeah.
So it made it very hard because it was that skiing one, if you guys remember, if you were with us back then. If not, go ahead and look on our channel and you can see, you can find it. I think it was a really neat puzzle, really fun puzzle to do too.
Yeah.
So anyhow, hopefully you guys are enjoying us, and you can like and subscribe to our channel. We would love to have our channel grow and love for you to be a part of our family. You know, the puzzle family, I guess you could say.
And at the end of the puzzling, we will give a review on how easy or hard this was and how we enjoyed it.
Exactly. Or if we didn't. It could always happen.
It's only happened once for one puzzle, but so far not Galison. We've really enjoyed Galison. So
Exactly. So we'll talk to you guys later, guys.
Bye. we're back.
Hey, we got done.
We did. Fast.
Fine. Yeah. This was a very quick puzzle. We enjoyed it, though. It was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
So,
when we were taking it apart, we did pick it up, and it holds really well. So, I don't think we tried that with our last Galison puzzle, but we did try it for this one. And the pieces, even though it's been done, I don't know how many times now.
Yeah.
The pieces are still holding really well.
Mm-hmm. They are really good. So that's good. I guess that's one thing good about the Galisons. They always seem to be very well done. And it's probably shaking there. Sorry about that. Our table is a little a little wobbly, so it shakes some. But anyhow, yes, we really enjoyed it. I let us know if you guys have done this one or done one like it, the Galison with the Michael Storrings. We have enjoyed kind of both of them. The first one was really tough, but
it was like all snow and trees, and I think it broke me. I don't like trees now, but this one was really cute. Like you saw, it's got a lot of vibrant colors, a lot of clues where things need to go. Whereas the other one we did was basically like white and green because it was skiing. So it was a lot harder. There were like a lot less clues on where things needed to be.
Right.
But this one just seemed a lot easier. So yeah.
So hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and we will talk to you on the other side. Talk to you. I always say that. Talk to you. We will talk to you on the other side. See you guys later.
Bye.